All right, good morning, everybody. All right, it is Wednesday, and excuse me, looking at my scan this morning. Once again, we're going to continue to trade RTY, which is going to be the mini Russell. NQ for mini NASDAQ, Bitcoin, BTC. We do have a buy coming up on BTC. Give you that in here in just a second. Natural gas, NG. Home Depot HD, and on the currencies Euro US. Okay, so let's look at a couple things. You've got, first of all, you have a short on natural gas. Do you have a short on natural gas? This is what we call an HF2 short. HF2 is one of our patterns. We have an HF1, HF2, HF3. Target or profit target is going to be 57.95. 57.95. And if we need to reverse on this, it's going to be 59.45. All right. Buy on Bitcoin. It's going to be an HF2 buy on Bitcoin as well. Bitcoin is a buy at, let's take a look here. $17,450. 17,450. So if we can come up to 17,450, that'd be a buy on Bitcoin. A little line in there. 17,450 would be an entry for Bitcoin. You can also purchase Bitcoin here if you'd like. And if you do, you're going to want to go ahead and you put a stop down here. Put a stop down here at 17,250. And that would give you a profit target then of
Profit target hit.
17,550. All right, so it looks like natural gas did hit its profit target, so we're out of the natural gas. All right, so we have an HF1 short. HF1 short now on the, let's see here. This is going to be on the mini NASDAQ. Mini NASDAQ short. Target on that mini NASDAQ is going to bring me down to 109.95 is going to be my profit target. 109.95. with a reversal of 111.07 and a half. All right, so now we are short the mini NASDAQ. Target 109.95. This is going to be an HF1 short. Just got triggered on Bitcoin for a buy. So that puts us at target 175.50. All right, I'm still short on the this mini NASDAQ. And we still have this buy going on Bitcoin. Target is going to be, once again, is going to be that 17,550 on Bitcoin. Working our way up. All right, so we have about 18 minutes to go here before the opening bell. It looks like we're going to get a lower opening here, anywhere between 150 to 250 lower.
with Create Studio.
All right, just holding short on the mini Nasdaq, mini Nasdaq along Bitcoin. So if you're just joining us for the first time, I suggest that you go to my YouTube channel and watch a video called An Introduction to My Unconventional Trading Strategies and Methods. It's at Innovative Trading Strategies on YouTube. This goes into a little bit more on how I trade. It is unconventional. It's something I developed over 35 years ago, and it definitely I'm not using any of your publicly available indicators. I do not use any of your traditional chart patterns like pennants and flags, and I don't use head and shoulders. I don't use support and resistance. I mean, I think there's a place for support and resistance, but it's something that I don't use. I don't need to, because what I do is based on what I call behavioral patterns. And people's behavior is repeatable and predictable under certain situations. And that is across the board in every market. So these patterns are good whether I'm trading the mini Russell, or I'm trading a stock like Home Depot, or a commodity like natural gas, gold, silver, all of those. So anyway, I suggest that you watch that video. It's called An Introduction to My Unconventional Trading Strategies and Methods. And then if you have further questions, please go to my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. Please also, if you like these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Let me know you want me to continue on. This first hour is going to be free. Today I'm going to have to cut it short. It's only going to be 30 minutes. So we got about right after opening bell here. I'm going to have to take off, but normally it's going to be Monday through Friday for the first hour. And it's my way of demonstrating live for you my trading approach. And then the question is, do you feel this is something that would be beneficial to your trading? The advantage that I have is that since I don't use any of your publicly available indicators or methods, then I don't have any competition, and I tend to get in before. I get in early and I get out early on most of your moves, because the way that this is set up, I'm usually early in on a new set of momentum. So as momentum changes, the patterns will pick that up and go with that early momentum. And usually in any turn in the market, that's usually where you're going to have your greatest thrust, all right, or your biggest move, and that's where you want to be. You don't want to be getting in after the fact, and that's the problem with indicators. They're lagging. So anyway, an introduction to my unconventional trading strategies and methods. Watch that. If you have questions, you can go to my website, innovativetradingstrategies.com. And also make sure that you provide us with your email address if you'd like to be updated on any new videos that we have coming out. And also any specials. We'll keep you up to date on the specials. And we do that via email. So make sure that you provide us with your email there as well. All right. Let's take a look at our charts. Still down 176. Let's see here. The mini Dow's down 174, 175. Good, Glenn. Yeah, they are very strong. All right, so Dow's going to open here in about 12 minutes. Expecting once again a lower opening. Could help push that mini NASDAQ down to our target of 109.95. I'd like to add to that short if you get a pull back up to, say, the 110.69 up here on the mini NASDAQ. 110.69. All right, still short the mini NASDAQ. Once again, we are moving towards target of 109.95. Bitcoin has a buy going on right now. Target of 17,550. About another 8 minutes here before the opening bell. Once again, I've got to cut this live broadcast off early today, so it won't be the full hour. I'll be cutting it off shortly after the opening bell. Those that are in the live, our live trading room, the live trading room continues to stay open. Glenn, you say you like the HF patterns. Which pattern do you like the best? HF1, 2, or 3? All right, a little bit more than 5 minutes to go here before the opening bell once again. Probably going to see an opening about 200 lower on the Dow this morning. Like the HF1, yeah, HF1 is probably my favorite pattern. All right, there's a critical point right over here in NASDAQ 110.12. Let's take a look here. Yeah, this 110.14, 110.13 could accelerate this move down to the downside on that mini NASDAQ. I'm gonna watch that. Watching that 110.13, just it could be an acceleration point down to this 109.95. Watching that. Bitcoin is still on an HF2 buy. HF1 short on the mini NASDAQ. Nothing going on Euro US. Don't see anything on Home Depot. Nothing on RTY yet. Already had a trade on natural gas. That was a short out of that. All right, about 2 minutes to go here before the opening bell. All right, we hit that acceleration point of 110.13. So let's see if we shoots us down to 109.95. Now, if we reverse here on, if we do go down on Bitcoin, which is going to be the reversals at 172.50, that would set us up for an HF1 short. Right now we're in the HF2 buy. That definitely would hit us in the HF1 short at 172.50. All right, less than a minute to go before the opening bell. Right now, we're looking at about 200, 250 lower. All right, here we go. All right, right now we're down 190. There goes our mini NASDAQ. Looking to hit target of 109.95. And it is now 8:30, so I am going to have to wrap it up for the live broadcast. I apologize, I have to cut it short today, but we'll be doing the full hour tomorrow. So as far as the open trades right now, short mini NASDAQ with a target of 109.95. And Bitcoin is long with a target of 175.50. HF1 reversal 172.50 on Bitcoin, and that is going to do it. So everybody have a good day, be careful, and hopefully we'll see everybody tomorrow morning first thing. And we just hit the mini NASDAQ, just hit its target. So nice way to end the morning. All right, everybody have a good trading day. We'll see you tomorrow.